girls! Welcome to What Is This? Where we guess and learn new words on different subjects. And today our subject will be...
Farm animals!
That's right, farm animals. It's the animals who live at the farm, yeah? And today we have a special. We will talk about babies. We will talk about babies of the farm animals. We will talk about babies of the farm animals. Let's start. What is this?
No.
No. It's not.
Oops.
Is that
A lamb?
a lamb?
No. It's not a lamb. Uh-oh. No. Let's try one more time.
Is that a horse?
That's right. It's not a horse. It's a foal. Foal, yeah?
I love horses because I can ride them.
Foal.
Baby of horses called foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Yeah. When they just born, they have very skinny long legs and they are so funny and clumsy, but they can walk pretty fast after they are born. And they reach their full-grown size like almost in 2 years. They are 90% full-grown horses. But when they're little, they like to stay close to mama, eat the grass together with mama, run around. They can sleep standing or laying. Yeah, and they have the special eyes on the sides. They can see so much more around than we can. We have our eyes in the front, and they have here.
I love to ride on them.
Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, let's try to guess another farm animal. What is this? Is that a foal? No. It's not a foal. What else can it be? What else you think it is? What do you think it is?
Piglet.
Do you think it's a piglet? No. It's not a piglet. We have one more chance. Let's try. What do you think?
Sheep. Lamb.
That's right! That's the lamb! L-A-M-B! That's right!
Lamb.
Lamb. Yeah? And who is the parents of the lamb?
Sheep.
That's right. And how do they say?
That's
That's right. They say "Bah." Correct. And when they born, they are so white and fluffy and cuddly and so cute. Yeah?
When they're babies, you can carry them.
Yeah, they can be white, they can be black, they can be sometimes with black faces and black legs and white body. Yeah? They can be different colors.
Yeah.
And you know what they're most afraid of? Loud noises, unexpected, like if a whoop, they are afraid but very loud. So don't scare them. They really don't like it. Okay, let's try to guess another baby animal from the farm. Who is this? Is that a calf? No, that's not a calf. No, it's not. Is that a chick? No, that's not a chick. Yeah, that's right. That's the piglet. Who is the parents of the piglet?
Piglet.
Pigs. That's right. Pigs. And how do they say? How do they say? Oink oink.
You can carry them.
Yeah, and you know that mama pig, when she gives birth, she can have up to 12.
12 babies.
That's right, 12 piglets. Imagine how many it is. She have to feed all of them, take care all of them, grow them up. Yeah?
Try piggy?
Yeah, pigs. They can also be different. They can be pink, they can be with a spot, they can be grayish. And they can give birth 2 times a year. So one mama can have like 24 children in a year. You mean that was it? Oh, If you want to know more about animals, farm animals, any animals, don't forget to subscribe